Welcome back, everyone. Today we do something totally different. Usually I tell you you can use my video also to fall asleep quick. I don't even know if that video is long enough to fall asleep. I go sometimes on our shopping website, I'm not mentioning which one, you probably know it, and just click on stuff, you know, just view it and then close it because I'm not interested in it. I don't know what it is. I just looked at this item. However, when the wife looks at the website, it shows her what the person what was logged in with the same account was viewing. So she got the nice idea to order some stuff what I was viewing was real cheap. So just cheap stuff. She decides sometimes, hey, I order it. And yeah, so I don't know what's in that package. That video is filmed before I put the whole description on it. So I don't know what's in this package right now. And so let's just call that episode What's in the Box. And I don't know what's in it. I hope it's nothing really embarrassing. Not that I looked anything what's embarrassing. I don't think even they sell anything. But, well, there could be stuff what could be embarrassing. So I'm going to put gloves on. Now let's open that and see what it is. It's not real heavy and it's flat. So it could be a shirt, a pair of shorts, or whatever. We will see. I mean, you will know it already because it's in the description. But for me, and I'm gonna review it. So if it's something what I don't know what it is for, I probably use it for something else. So let's see what we have here. We have, man, I opened it the wrong way again so you could see my address. Now I gotta, whatever. It says on it, it's a made in China photo light box. I don't know. I have no clue about photography, so I don't know what a photo light box is. How the heck you get, well, there may be LED lights or something. Let's open this thing without cutting it. Now this looks like, I don't know what. Look at this. Okay, don't need this anymore. What? I don't want to break it. How you get this thing out? Oh. How? So it's pretty tight in here. And I see something red. For what you need, please leave it in the description for me. For what do you need a photo light box? What you can use that for. Oh, there's something blue in there. This is some material. Blue, black, white, and a description. Now we know, oh, unfolding steps. Now I'm gonna bring the camera down a little so you can see what I'm doing here because I don't know what I'm doing and I don't know what it is for. But the first thing what came out here is a micro USB cable, USB-A to micro USB. So there must be some electric involved. I like electric. Remember my refrigerator burning and all that stuff. So let's go. Let's see what this is about. Let me get the camera down here. Gently pull out outer edges. Says here, I don't know if this is the issue because I'm German, but line up the 3 triangular pieces. Okay, pull out the outer edges. This must be an outer edge. Okay, it's plastic. Now I can feel it. Okay, we have some LED lights in here. That's good. Whatever. I don't... Huh. Okay, folding steps. There's a lot of work, you know. That's almost like... Couldn't we just use a cardboard box and some LED lights? Hey, I'm gonna try that one, right? I don't know what I do with it right now. Haha. They want you to do this. So okay. Insert the USB cable into the LED lights. I don't even know how much that thing is. This is some weird stuff. And now, that's it. And then there are folding steps, how to put it apart. Now, I have a box, yeah. And what is this for? Maybe you snap that in somehow in here. There's no other directions on there. You can make a red carpet in here. Like this. I'm not a photographer, so I don't know what we use that for. Give that power somehow. There is no power supply with it, right? So I'm gonna use a power pack. Now this is fabulous. I don't know what I use it for. What else? Photo box. Look at this thing. So we have a motorcycle in here. Now we have some light. I think you can bend this, or maybe not. I'm not a photographer. I don't know how to set this up. And now you're supposed to take a photo. And now I'm gonna take a picture of the motorcycle. It's maybe not too bad if you have a lot of small stuff to take pictures of. Let me take different pictures with different of these material things here. So the whole thing was about 15 bucks. Now, is it worth 15 bucks? You have to make your own decision. If you sell small items somewhere on the internet, on eBay, on wherever, you get all the different background stuff here. The box with a light in it. That's it for today. Hope you come back next time. If you're awake, you know, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell and all the good stuff. And I see you next time.